This is Mel from Bangle Whisper. Welcome to Bangle Whisper. I am so blessed. Hi, this is Mel from Bangle Whisper. Today I'm going to show you how you can decorate a sandal. Now I'm going to decorate this sandal, and this I have pretty much done most of the work, and I'm going to show you with one flower, and I'm using some rhinestone and some t-shirt decorating paint, and this paint is sort of like glue, so you will be able to attach your rhinestone. Now I got this flip-flop from my local store, and you can decorate flip-flop and sandals, and this was plain, and so this was within $10. And then I have seen some pretty decorated ones, and they were like $20 or $30, so I decided to decorate myself. And in order to decorate this sandal or flip-flop, you need some rhinestone. You can do sequin beads as well, and you need something to glue it on, and I'm using this glitter paint. I'm using this company, but you can use any company. I'm not advertising any company. Now you can use your own flower. I'm just doing from my imagination, and I'm just going to do a small flower. So what you do is take the paint and give a generous amount of a big circle, a big drop, and I'm going to use my bigger rhinestone at the center of the flower, and I'm using an empty paint container as a tool to press the rhinestone down. And now when you do press the rhinestone down, you have the paint oozing out of the rhinestone, and it's okay because I'm going to be adding some more rhinestone surrounding the center rhinestone, and I'm using a little bit more paint, and I have dropped like 7 dots, and be sure to give little generous amount, because this way the rhinestone you'll stick will be permanent. They will not be coming out, and if it does come out, you can just add it later. So I'm just gonna go around and fill it in with the rhinestone, and be sure to give a gentle pressure so they press down against the paint / glue. And just use anything. You can use Q-tip. So I have added one rhinestone, a little bit larger, at the center, and then I have added 7 rhinestone all around. Now it's up to your choice what you used to do or what kind of design you would like to make. And this really does not look very good when the paint is wet, so you need to wait for 2 to 3 hours until the paint is fully dried up. And once the paint is fully dried up, it looks very shiny and beautiful. So I'm making with a silver color, and my rhinestones are diamond, so it's kind of contrasting, so it looks really awesome. And you can do, if you're doing gold kind of beads and sequins, you can do gold kind of paint. So now you can see I'm showing a dry one and the wet one. Wet one looks pretty soggy, and we will allow it 3 hours to fully dry. And you can do this project easily, and it makes your sandal or the flip flop or so anything really nice. And you can use the same technique to decorate your denim jeans or your purse or your t-shirt. You can use any kind of t-shirt decorating paint. If you use glue, then you need to be careful, make sure that is not a glue that it'll come off easily, so need to use a strong glue if you're using glue. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hi, thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe.